them as I do some punk nails to match my DIY overalls. Yes, some of the blues, some of that punky looking kind of fabric, I would say, that I added with a patch and all of that, and maybe a little bit of this kind of feeling of a punk background with these flowers on it. So yes, I'm thinking of some flowers, black, that, and all of that. And yes, as you can see, I'm creased. I thought I would get my eyebrows nice and done as I get my nails nice and done to match my hair here. But yes, I do have these two new colors that were really cheap for around $2 Australian dollars, and these are from the Reject Shop. So I thought I'd mix these in because I kind of had the look that I was looking for, a little bit yellow and a little bit of that interesting sparkly orange. So I'm going to use that with some other polishes. But yeah, let's get to it as I have my eyebrows getting snatched as well. And let's snatch up these 5 punk nails to match my overalls. To the first color of black on one of my nails for the design, and then this next one with a blue and then this one is a nice silvery white sparkle, and of course we can't leave on my thumb, and it is blue as well. So now we do the nail design here, a little scritch scritch to the scritch scritch, this way, that way, as you saw in one of the patterns of the patches on it. So there we go, and this red is for the little flowers that I am doing. Yes, the little flowers. And now I'm doing the little dot dot in the middle to try to see if I can make a flower by hand. And all that, whoops, it's a little bit being annoying. So I'm just doing a few flowers, about 4, kind of like that. And then I'm doing leaves, even though they kind of look like red stars. But then I'm putting a different color on top to make it more red, and now the middle to make it black. All we gotta do is close it in with a nice glossy top coat. That looking nice. Now to the next one, and this one's just a swishy swish, just give off the color. I kind of wanted to mix a few blues, slightly kind of going off the colors of the knitting. That's what I'm doing here, and mostly making it blue like the denim is blue. And now we're going to my pinky with this nice background, and this one is going to be the checkered. Yep, the checkered kind of print. And as you saw in there were some colors randomly in blue, yellowy, green. Right, I'm putting the blue in. Now I'm putting some yellow in some of them, still leaving some of them white, and a little bit of red as best I can there. And of course, I'm doing my thumb the same with the blue background, but I'm first going with the colors before the black. And there we go with the red that kind of looks like tomato sauce if I do. So actually, no, this is the one that is the cheap polish. My bad. I did sparkly. And then here is the yellow. That's coming a little thick when I put it on like this, but it's working, doing its magic. It's from the same shop, the Reject Shop, both these 2 polishes. Now we're doing the black squares of the checkered for sure, and it's mostly black squares. Yes, mostly black. As you know, from the pattern on the patch of the denim overalls. 1 black square to the next, every other one, and leaving some with the blue background. But of course, like I said, there was a little bit of green. I'm doing some green, but this is see-through green, so it's kind of a yellow green. But of course, now I am holding these both in with a nice glossy top coat. Both my checkered nails, thumb to the pinky. And there we go, with a second coat on them all, holding every single nail design, all 5. And of course, the thumb as well. Looking really, really nice. And my nails nice and snatched. Matching my overalls, feeling punky if I do say so, even with my snatched eyebrows matching my hair. Oh yes, cause why not? Yep, that's my left hand, looking oh so nice, and then there is my right hand looking oh so nice. As you can see, there's a little more blue on this one. I did do a fair amount of the same, but this gingham is a little bit different. This gingham's closer to the color of the gingham on here in a way, from what I can do. See. And these flowers are maybe just ever so slightly better, if you can see, than that one. But they still look nice to the nicer tints. I would say so myself. So they're different, but the same. These ones are maybe even more the same than sometimes. But there we go. Same, but slightly different. As my thumbs are different, see? This one is checkered, like on there with the colors in between, and this one is some gingham. Looks a little different than the other ones. and all that, but it looks pretty nice. So there we go with it all and everything. I hope you like my nails. I'm matching my nails to my DIY overalls that I did that I can't wait to wear with these nails. Yep. So with all that in mind, I'll thank you for coming, and I'll see you next time. Sparkle, sparkle, ba-ba-bam.